Hey guys, just another video. Really excited about this e-waste series. I like to show off some of these things that, I've rescued from being e-wasted. This one here is a Sharp PC-4600. Note the cool handle there. That's pretty awesome. It's a portable, as you can tell. According to the spec sheet, it does have a battery inside. That's good up to 4 hours depending on the machine's configuration. The spec sheet also says that it is running a 80188 compatible CPU at 10 megahertz clock. And these come configured with either a huge 40 megabyte hard drive and a 720 KB floppy, or two 720 KB floppies. So I appear to have the latter unit. So I don't have a power adapter. It didn't come with one. This unit was actually recovered from a skid of printers and typewriters. So somebody who was categorizing it did not really fully understand what it was. I think it kind of looks like a typewriter, as you can see. But it got rescued, and I found a power adapter that was 9 volts, 1.5 amps. It calls for a 9 volt, 1.9 amp adapter, I believe. And I built a polarity changer because this machine uses center polarity negative, which is a little bit unusual. Well, it's not that unusual, but less common than center polarity positive. So I'm pretty excited about this machine. The condition considering is pretty good. The screen works. The screen is a little hard to read, but the machine does appear to be in working order. The machine boots up. You get to the BIOS section, and you can see right there it is starting up. It doesn't seem to read floppy disks, though. I had a disk that came with it. It tried to read it. It says non-system disk, but the disk is labeled as a DOS boot disk, so not really sure what the issue is there. It's possible that the disk is faulty. It's possible the drive is faulty. Trying another disk, I only have 1.44 meg disks, which as I found out afterwards, it's a 720K drive, so it won't read them. So, but I do plan on doing a full review of this machine down the road. So it may need a drive cleaning in order to read disks, but ultimately it seems to be mostly working, which is makes me pretty excited. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this quick look at one of my e-waste rescues. So I hope to continue to rescue these machines and continue to show them to you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video.